So here's how you get $100 to eat 3 carne asada tacos. And the answer in short is receptivity, being open, and allowing the possibilities. And let me break it down for you how it happened for me. Is I go in the taco shop, I order my tacos, I'm famished, right? And it's tacos, we're talking tacos here, right? It's tacos. So I go off to the side and then someone else orders behind me and I'm looking around and then I look on the floor and I see a folded up $5 note and a couple other notes inside. And so I look around and it's like, should I just pocket it or should I follow my integrity and hand it to the person who I think it is? So that little voice wins out and I pick it up and I hand it to the person that was behind me in the queue. I say, hey, is this yours? And they take it. And then I stop paying attention. They fumble through it and give it back to me and say, you should keep it. The world needs more people like you. And so the other point of getting $100 for eating 3 tacos is following your integrity, is being so steadfast in you that you know what's gonna uplift you, what's gonna bring you down, and what's gonna make you feel guilty and what's not. And so for me, I followed my integrity. I would have felt terrible if I pocketed the money. Actually, something happened ages ago when I was a kid where I did pocket the money and I did feel terrible and I didn't want to have that feeling again. And in this case, I was open, I was receptive. I allowed this receiving to happen. And so many times we block receiving from coming to us. We think like, oh no, I can only get $100 if I work hard for it, if I get paid hourly, or if I do something for someone else. When the truth is you can have it just because you're you already deserve it. And it's a secret that not many people realize and not many people want to realize and own, because social constraints, society, all these beliefs that are just hammered into you since your upbringing is that you have to be a part of society, you have to work hard, you have to do something to deserve money, to deserve love. And all of these are just false beliefs that have been put on you. And it's time to come back and take your power back. It's time to stand in who you really are and allow things to come to you, no matter how they come to you. And just that can open up so much. And so many people have an issue receiving. So if you want to be more receptive, just take a breath in and do a little visualization where just open your heart and expand and allow this receiving to come to you. I allow myself to receive just for being. I allow myself to receive just for being. And if you want to even get into more detail about it, what is it that you want to receive? And receive that. Allow that to come to you. What does it feel like if you receive $100 for eating 3 tacos? What does it feel like if you receive $10,000 for nothing? What does it feel like if you receive all the love, all the intimacy that you could ever want just by being you and standing within your integrity? And like that, you're so valuable that you don't even realize the things that you can do. You don't realize the impact that you have on the other people around you. Just your energy alone, your interactions when you're at the store buying something, when you're driving, it can be the difference between making someone's day or not making them angry. And it's up to you how you want to show up in the world. But if you want to get paid $100 for eating 3 carne asada tacos, I highly suggest you open, you allow, and you receive, and you let possibilities come to you that you might not have ever thought about beforehand. If you have your own story you want to share, post it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.